Hi from Ithaca, everyone. So here we are. I know this is incredibly difficult circumstances for everybody, and it is for me too. I'm happy to report that I am feeling just fine, and my family, we're all doing just fine. We are washing our hands, staying home, practicing social distancing, and sort of, keeping tabs on the news. So I want to say that I hope this video finds each of you safe and well. This is a period of extreme adjustment, which can oftentimes be very challenging, but I care about each and every one of you, and I'm going to do my best to get this course up and running, and to make sure that we all finish it the best we can. So, a couple of announcements. So normally our course is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and obviously we would meet. And so I've decided to take a low technology approach to creating this online classroom, and that is because I know that all of us have different kinds of barriers and challenges right now, and I'm trying to be sensitive to that. I am running this classroom from my spare bedroom, and my kids and my husband, our dog, are just outside the door. I'm trying to balance working from home and teaching this online class with my other responsibilities of feeding and caring for our children and making sure that we all get outside and get some fresh air and so on and so forth. And I know that you all have challenges too. Some of you may be caring for older folks in your home. Some of you may be caring for younger folks in your home. I know that for some of you, maybe your financial situations have changed since this coronavirus situation. So I think that trying to keep things fairly simple and fairly low tech is going to be good for all of us. Another thing that I put in the announcement is that even though this is a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, you will only have work to submit on Mondays and Wednesdays. Fridays, you can just use that day to just keep up with the work and do whatever you need to be doing. That'll give me enough time to be responding to people online and keeping up the course myself. I know that some of us also have internet challenges as well, so I am making the class asynchronous. That means that you can complete the work that is due on Monday and the work that is due on Friday at your own pace, but you just have to upload Monday's assignment on Monday at 11:59 p.m. That is the final deadline, and the same thing for any assignments that are due on Wednesday. Just make sure that you upload them at 11:59 p.m. The other announcement I wanted to make is that we are going to try to continue on with book clubs. And I thought about ways we might be able to use Zoom and see each other, and it actually, I think, would be pretty difficult, again, taking into account people's different challenges and home situations right now. So you are actually going to come together with your group using the Sakai Forums function. The directions for that are already online. Yeah, I have uploaded them and the directions for the assignment on Wednesday because it will start on Wednesday. I believe at this point most folks have the Evicted book. If you don't, please reach out to me as soon as possible, and I'll see what I can do about trying to get you some online access to that book. You'll also notice that the forums, that the book this is hard, folks. You'll notice that the book club groups are new, and that's because I didn't know who was in what group that you got yourselves into before the break, and I thought the easiest way to do it was for me to just look at the roster and group you into groups of 4 by alphabetical order. So my apologies that you aren't in your original book club groups, but again, I am trying to streamline things and just make it as simple as possible for us. So you will still be discussing with each other somewhat on the forums. You just won't be doing it in real time. And I'm hoping that solution works for everybody right now. So let me just glance at my list and see what else I wanted to tell you. Okay, I think that's everything for now. So always feel free to reach out. I'll obviously be on email a lot and checking in. I am going to hold virtual office hours. I'm revising the syllabus. Still working on getting that together. It actually takes quite a bit of work to move a class online. So more about that in the upcoming days. So until then, stay safe, stay home, and stay well.